Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, back again with yet another interesting monsoon delicacy this monsoon season. And today it is a very special dish, that is the Biboyacho roast, or what we otherwise call them Ghotka, or the Ghotakache roast, or also called Ghotakache Tondak. Now, biboyos are the germinated cashew nuts. As you can see, they have been germinated and they are very, very nutritious. These are eaten raw as well as cooked during the monsoon season. The sprouts used in making special curries like the Biboyacho roast, specially made using local spices, local ingredients. So let's get started. Now here I have sprouted cashew nuts. So what you got to do is, first important thing is that you need to wash them well to remove any residue of mud and dirt on them. Wash them and then break them off from the stem. Then just remove the little part from the stem. It has the little sappy part on that, or what we call the dick, and discard it, and then you can use them, eat them raw, or try this Biboyacho roast recipe this monsoon season and enjoy the health benefits of them. Now, another important advantage of eating these sprouted cashew nuts is it has 4 times more health benefits than the roasted nuts, as it contains high amount of amino acids, and these germinated cashew nuts are easier to digest than the roasted ones. Sprouted cashew nuts also have less of phytic acids. So once you have washed them, use them as the whole half part of it, or you can cut them into small pieces. These small ones, just the tender ones which are just coming out of the seeds, they can be just eaten, washed, and the stem removed and eaten raw. They taste so delicious that way also. And friends, when you are handling these biboyo or the godka, please be careful not to touch your sticky hands to your face or to the eyes, because this sap of the biboyo can react with your skin. Now once you have cut them, just put them in a pot and add enough of water so as they sink in the water. Add a little of sea salt and just give them a one boil. As the water comes to a boil, you turn off the flame, drain off the top part of the water wherein the dick, the sap comes up on that. So you just throw out that part of the water out. The down portion, the rest of the water, you may use in your cooking. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To that add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, about 15 chilies, these are konkan chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, a small piece of stone flour, a small piece of cinnamon stick, a small piece of nutmeg, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, petals of star anise de-seeded, piece of mace, 8 cloves, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, and roast them on low flame till they turn aromatic. Once they turn slightly aromatic, add half tablespoon of fennel seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seed. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. remember, poppy seeds are to be added once all the other spices are well roasted. And once the poppy seeds start to pop, turn off the flame, remove the spices from the pan and let them cool completely. Here my rice spices are well roasted. Now add the coconut. This is about 1.5 cup of coconut, and roast it till it is nice and slightly brown. Now my spices have cooled and I'll grind them coarsely. Add half teaspoon of turmeric to the coconut and slightly roast till the color slightly changes and remove it from the flame. Roast 1 large onion chopped. Now add about 3 tablespoons of oil to your wok. Add 1 large onion roughly chopped and saute till translucent. Add 1 large tomato chopped and saute till it turns mushy. Once it is done, add the ground masala. I have ground the spices and the coconut to medium fine and add to the wok and saute for 2 minutes. Then add the water from the jar of the masala and adjust the consistency. Once it starts to bubble up, add your boiled sprouted cashew nuts. Stir it well and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes till well cooked. Now, as if you have noticed, I did not add any souring agent in this recipe of mine, because here I am adding 2 pieces of my bottle mango, half ripe bottle mango, so they are neither too sour nor too sweet. Added that, or you may add just the dry mango pieces. Now once it cover and cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. Here it has been cooking for some time now, and I am sure this is deliciously done. Just add 2 green chilies to add that extra spice to it, and once it comes to a boil, turn off the flame and let it rest for 2-3 minutes, and your delicious Biboyacho roast or the Ghotakache roast, or also called the Ghotakache Tondak, is ready. It goes too well with rice or bread, chapati, anything you can eat it, but it is delicious, friends, and very healthy too. Do try this recipe this monsoon season at your home and enjoy with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes that I upload every week. See you next week with yet another interesting monsoon delicacy. Until then, try Biboyacho roast or the Ghotakache Tondak at your home and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Much love from Lalita's Delicacies. Thank you and God bless. Mogasu Sadats. Do try and enjoy these delicious Biboyacho or the Ghotakache roast. It tastes really delicious.